Today we will discuss chemical reactions of water. Chemical reactions of water. Chemical reactions of water. First one, H2O reacts with metals. H2O reacts with metals and liberates hydrogen gas. And liberates hydrogen gas. And liberates hydrogen gas. So water reacts with active metals like sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and magnesium, calcium, strontium, and liberate hydrogen gas. And the second one reacts with phosphorus pentoxide. P4O10 is called phosphorus pentoxide. P4O10 is called phosphorus pentoxide. So water reacts with phosphorus pentoxide to give rise to phosphoric acid. 4H3PO4 is called phosphoric acid. Water reacts with phosphorus pentoxide to give rise to phosphorus pentoxide and reacts with SiCl4 and reacts with SiCl4. SiCl4 is called silicon tetrachloride. SiCl4 is called silicon tetrachloride. Silicon tetrachloride reacts with H2O. You get silica, SiO2 plus 4HCl. SiCl4 reacts with silica. SiCl4 reacts with water. You get SiO2 plus 4HCl. This is SiCl4. SiCl4 silicon tetrachloride reacts with water. You get SiO2 plus 4HCl. And reacts with magnesium nitride, Mg3N2. This is magnesium nitride. Reacts with magnesium nitride. Water reacts with magnesium nitride. You get magnesium hydroxide plus ammonia. First one, water reacts with active metals like sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and liberates hydrogen gas. And phosphorus pentoxide, P4O10 is called phosphorus pentoxide. This undergoes hydrolysis and gives phosphoric acid. And SiCl4 is silicon tetrachloride. Reacts with water, gives rise to silica. SiO2 is silica and 4HCl. This is magnesium nitride. Mg3N2 is called magnesium nitride. Magnesium nitride undergoes hydrolysis to give magnesium hydroxide along with ammonia. Magnesium nitride reacts with water, gives rise to magnesium hydroxide and ammonia. Okay, na? Magnesium nitride and ammonia. Next reaction is water reacts with ammonia. This is acid-base reaction. In this reaction, H2O gives H plus ion. The substance which gives H plus ion is called an acid. So H2O plus NH3 gives rise to NH4 plus OH minus. NH4 plus plus OH minus. In this reaction, H2O gives H plus ion. So proton donor is called acid and NH3 takes H plus ion. So this is acid, this is base. Okay. Next, H2O reacts with H2S. H2O reacts with H2S, gives rise to H3O plus plus HS minus. H2O reacts with H2S, gives rise to H3O plus plus HS minus. In this reaction, H2O takes H plus ion. కాబట్టి H2O, in this reaction H2O takes H plus ion. This is a proton acceptor here. Proton acceptor. So proton acceptor is called base. Proton acceptor is called base. So water can act as acid as well as base. Water can act as acid as well as base. So water is amphoteric substance. So water is amphoteric substance. Why water is amphoteric substance? Water can give H plus ion. At the same time, water can accept H plus ion. The substance which gives H plus ion is called an acid. The substance which takes H plus ion is called a base. So water is a amphoteric substance. And the next one, protolysis, autoprotolysis. What is meant by autoprotolysis? H2O itself reacts with H2O and forms H3O plus and OH minus ion. So H2O plus H2O gives rise to H3O plus plus OH minus. This reaction is called autoprotolysis reaction. Okay. Next, in plants, photosynthesis reaction takes place. Photosynthesis reaction takes place. So in the presence of chlorophyll, 6CO2 plus 6H2O, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. We get glucose C6H12O6. This reaction takes place in plants. In the presence of sunlight, in the presence of chlorophyll. Okay, carbon dioxide combines with H2O, you get glucose plus oxygen, 6 volt. This reaction takes place in plants. Okay, next, water is bad conductor of electricity. Bad conductor of electricity. Because water has no ions. Electricity only takes place in the presence of conductivity, only takes place in the presence of ions or in the presence of electrons. If there are no electrons, if there are no free ions, conductivity does not take place. That's why water is bad conductor for electricity, due to absence of ions. Okay, and water is and water is universal solvent. Universal solvent. Since many salts are dissolved in water. Are dissolved in water. Okay, for example, sodium chloride dissolved in water, magnesium chloride dissolved in water. So many type of substances are dissolved in water. For example, oxygen gas dissolved in water, nitrogen, small amount of nitrogen gas dissolved in water. Okay, that's why water is said to be universal solvent. Okay, next. Types of water. Types of water. Water is two types. One is hard water, and second one is soft water. What is meant by hard water? It does not give leather with a soap solution. It does not give leather with a soap solution. It gives leather with a soap solution. It gives leather with a soap solution. Okay, na? What is the reason for hardness of water? Hardness is two types. That is temporary hardness and a permanent hardness. Temporary hardness and a permanent hardness. Magnesium bicarbonate and a calcium bicarbonate are cause for temporary hardness. And a calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate and a magnesium sulfate are cause for permanent hardness. Temporary hardness can be removed by boiling. When water is boiled, temporary hardness is removed. But permanent hardness can't be removed by boiling. So this is a temporary hardness, this is a permanent hardness.